One last look at the car before it's gone. Kind of crazy to see this thing so high up. So I ended up leaving these because I don't have replacements. So the car's going with JDM headlights, as well as the JDM tail lights that don't have that piece I was explaining last time. And the lucky owner will get JDM door visors as well. Everything's stock, fully removed. Car only has 24K on it. Everything reverted back to stock. Undid that, put the original. Yeah, that's it. This chapter ends, and on to the next. Alright, here goes a new car. Picked up a 2018 NX300. So this is the 2-liter turbo model. This is the atomic silver color. So this is a used 2018. The screen is pretty cool. Let's see. So it's 21,000 miles. Low miles. I did the CarPlay update on this already, the OEM one. Hoping they release the OEM Android Auto as well. Pretty cool and roomy. 2-liter turbo. Everything's stock under here still. Coolest feature I think is that right there. And then do it again.